Okay, question 41. Timothy has 49 boxes of stickers. There are 39 stickers in each box. So he repacked all the stickers into packets of 8 stickers each. So how many packets each containing 8 stickers can Timothy get? Okay, so what we need to do, right, guys, I think this question is quite straightforward. We have to find the total number of stickers. So I suppose the hardest part will be probably the multiplication of the two-digit numbers. Okay, so we have to do this. Maybe just I'll just go through the working with you. When we have 49 times 35, okay, what we need to do here is that we take 49 times 5 first. Okay, so 9 times 5 is 45, and 4 times 5 is 20. 20 plus 4, 24. Okay, then now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to do 49 times 3. So I have to times 2 times. The first time I time by the digit in the ones place. The second time I will times by the digit in the tens place. Okay, but when we times the digit in the tens place, because it's a 10, right? So we put a 0 here first. Okay, then 3 times 9 is 27. Okay, so this 4 we cancel because it might confuse us. 3 times 9 is 27. So I put a 2 here because carry 2 forward. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. Okay, so we will get 5, 1. We'll get this as the answer. So I write it down, 1715. So how many packets each containing 8 stickers can Timothy get? So isn't it just 1715 divided by 8? Okay, so when we divide this by 8, what do we get? We will have a quotient of 214, remainder, what is it? Remainder 3. Okay, so guys, this long division, I think you should be quite good at it, so I'm not going to show you. Okay, so once we get this right, A, how many packets? It will be 214 packets. There's a remainder 3, so it's left unpacked. Okay, so for B, the answer is 3. Okay, so that's the answer. Question 42. Bernard had 1,360 marbles and Rona had 4,970 marbles. So Rona gave some marbles to Bernard. In the end, Bernard had twice as many marbles as Rona. Okay guys, can you see that this is actually the internal transfer? Because it's actually a transfer between Bernard and Rona. So I told you, no matter how much they give and how many times they give to each other, there is this thing that will remain constant. It's the total. Constant total. Okay? So, guys, can we see that at the end, right? Bernard had twice as many marbles as Rona. Okay? So we can actually find out, you see, because you can draw a before-after model. So before, this is Bernard. Bernard has this amount, which is 1360, and Rona will have 4970. Can we find out what is the total? Okay, so guys, can you see that the total is just 1360 we plus 4970? Okay, so what's the answer? We have 6330. Okay, so this is the total. So at the end, we know that Bernard had twice as many marbles as Rona. So that will tell us that after, right, Bernard and Rona, Bernard will have 2 units and Rona will have 1 unit. Okay, so the total is still the same, is 6330. Okay, so we can say that 3 units equals to 6330. So 1 unit will be 6330 divided by 3, we have 2110. Okay, so how many marbles did Ronald have in the end? In the end, Ronald only have 1 unit, so we have found the answer. So for part 1, right, it's 2110. For part 2, let's look at the question. How many marbles did Ronald give Bernard? Okay, can you see that Ronald has 4,970 at first, and after, Ronald is left with 2110. So how many marbles did he give away? Isn't it just 4970 minus 2110? We will have the answer is 2860. Okay, this question is a bit tricky, but if we were to use the before and after model, we just draw it out, we should be able to analyze the question very easily. Okay, question 43. In the figure below, ABEF is a rectangle, which is this ABEF, and FECD is a square. So FECD is a square. X, Y, and Z are 3 identical squares inside the square FECD. So can you see that these 3 X, Y, and Z, they are all the same? So AF is 2 cm and the square of Z is 4 cm. Okay guys, now you see if these 3 are all the same, right? If this is 4 cm, this side must be 4. This will be 4, this will be 4. So all the sides are 4 cm. So can you see that I can find the length of the big square FECD? Isn't it just 4? Let me just highlight this. Isn't it just 4, 4, and 4? Then I will get this length. Okay, these 3 add up. That will be 4 times 3. 4 times 3 equals to 12. Okay, so if we do for the bottom, right? Can you see that it's 4 plus 4 plus 4? So it will be 4 times 3 equals to 12 cm again. Okay, so what can we do? If we want to find AD, right? AD isn't just AF plus 12. You see? You want to find AD, right? This is 2. The bottom part is 12. So AD will be just 2 plus 12 equals to 14 cm. Okay, and if you want to find the area of the square FECD, right, can you see that the length is 12, the breadth is also 12. So for P, we can just take 12 times 12. It will be 144 square centimeter. Okay. Okay, question 44. George made a pattern using toothpicks. So the first 3 figures are shown below. So this is the figure 1, figure 2, and figure 3. So figure 1, right, can you see that you use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 toothpicks. So it's written in the table. So to form figure 2 is just an extra triangle. So to form an extra triangle, we need an extra two more toothpicks. Can you see it? It's the extra. And to form figure 3, we need an extra 2 more, which I highlighted. So every time when we move on to the next figure, can you see that it's always plus 2, and plus 2 again. So how many toothpicks did George use for figure 10? Okay guys, you see what we can do here, right, is that of course you can slowly plus figure 4, it will be plus another 2, so 11. Figure 5 will be 13, and you do all the way until figure 10. Okay, but I'm going to teach you a shortcut. Okay guys, we can use the multiplication sign, because can you see that from 1 to 2, right? Okay, 1 there is no increase because 1 you start with 5. Okay, so from 1 you go to from figure 1 to figure 10, right? It's 10 minus 1, you have 9. So you need to increase by 2 9 times. Okay, so for part A, right, isn't it just 5? Because figure 1 is 5, right? Then you need to plus 2 how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times. So isn't it just 5 plus 2 times 9? Okay, so that will give us 23. Okay, a bit tricky, but if you think about it, you start off with 5. Then after every figure number, you plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. So from figure 1 to figure 10, right, you need to move by 9 figure number. So you need to plus 2 times 9. Okay? So guys, next question for B, right? Which figure did George use 151 toothpick to make? Okay, now it's like the reverse. Okay, guys, every figure number you increase by 2, right? And the first one is actually 5. So what we do is that for B, right, we take 151, we take away the initial 5 toothpick first. So minus, so I have 146. So 146 is all due to the plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. So how many plus 2 is there for the 146? Okay, so this one I wrote down. When I do this, it's actually one figure number, which is figure 1. Okay, so 146 divided by 2, can you see that is 73? So that means we increase by 73 figure number. So which figure number is 151? Isn't it 1 plus 73? 73 plus 1 is figure 74. Okay, so that's how we get the answer. Okay, Paul, Zach, and Quintin saved $1,016 in total. So Zach saved $85 and Quintin saved 3 times as much as the total saved by Paul and Zach. So how much did Paul have? Okay, so guys, we have the total. Let's draw the model. So we have Zach first. Zach is 85. Then Quintin, okay. Then we let this be Paul, because the Quintin has 3 times as much as the total saved by Paul and Zach. So Paul, I just let it be 1 unit. Okay, so this is Paul and Zach. Okay, so maybe I put Zach here, then this represents Paul plus Zach. So Quintin has 3 times as much as the total of Paul and Zach, right? So Quintin will have 3 times of this, 1, 2, and 3, and all together the total is 1016. So this one whole unit, right? Can we change it to 85 and 1 unit? 85 plus 1 unit, 85 plus 1 unit. Okay, so how many units do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 units equals to 1016 minus away how many? 85. You minus away 85 4 times. So we can do this 85 times 4. I think that will be simpler. We have 340. So 4 units is just 1016. The total, take away all the numbers. Okay, minus 340. So we have 676. So 1 unit, it will be just 676 divided by 4. We have 169. Okay, so this is 1 unit, is exactly what we are asked to find. That's actually Paul's saving. Okay, so that's it.